Oh, wow. You all came back to hear me again? All right, this is great. So I'm getting ready to use a little bit of black soap here in my hair to wash it out. You know, this whole video is going to be about how I like to use rice water. Wow, no, wow, fail. It's freaking, what is it again, Chris?
Oh, Midnight Rose.
Midnight Rose, yeah, Midnight Rose leave-in conditioner, which is a rose water. So I'm using that, but let's pick back up where I failed at. So I'm washing my hair. I'm using cold water here. All right, I'm using cold water. The reason why is because my hair is not dirty. I haven't been doing anything crazy, and I want to make sure I retain as much of the oil as possible in my hair. If you all didn't know this, black soap and any soap in general, real soap, none of that like synthetic detergent stuff, that sending crap that we talked about last time. It strips away the natural oils from your hair and your skin. That's the whole point of the soap, is to get rid of oils and whatnot. And because usually the oils are what hold dirt, and that's why you stink, and we all know that. That's why people, when they usually like shave their underarms and stuff, they get like a lot less stank because the oils aren't holding the dirt underneath there. Same thing with the balls, I guess. You know, you can really clear up some stink ball, fellas, if you need to, by just shaving. Just go bald. Just go nude down there. But yeah, so I'm washing my hair with cold water, freezing my gonads off here, just so I'm not losing too much of the oil. And you know, if you use warm water or hot water in your hair, it really starts to strip away the oils. So you have to make sure you apply it back. And a lot of people wash their hair with warm water or hot water and do not rehydrate properly, and they're stuck with this really gross looking hair. So, okay, all right, now we're at the transition here. I'm going to empty out my ears, get all the stink out. Now, using this bottle here, this is the Midnight Rose leave-in conditioner with Shea. We are going to be making a transition to these like infinite spray bottles for this, just cause, you know, it's dope, you know, and it's like an infinite mist kind of thing. You just pressure where it pushes air in, and it expels liquid, so it's super dope. But the downside to it right now is, like, you see, we use real rose petals in it, so we're gonna have to figure something out with that. We're probably just gonna use straight, you know, rose water without the petals, because we put the petals in there because it looks cute in the bottle, but this ain't cute having to deal with this type of issue right here. So we're gonna, it doesn't taste that good if you're wondering. So we're gonna go with that. But yeah, so right here I'm just misting it in there. As you see, it comes out in a nice stream because it's an oil, so it's not as misty as we would like, but oil doesn't mist up like that. But it does give a nice stream, so it's a nice laser focus kind of stream that really helps get in there. I was doing Chris's hair a bit earlier, and I was lifting up her locks and stuff and then doing that. So this is actually a pretty good way to do it. You give it a couple pumps and it just squirts out super well. I like it. Do you like it? Let me know in the comments below what you all think, because, you know, I'm kind of vibing with it. And yeah, I think that's super important. All right, my phone fell. I need to figure out a better way of not breaking the stuff. But we're doing good here. We're good now. And yeah, we're still good. So now I'm going to massage it in. All right, so once it's all up in there, I feel like it's nicely saturated. I'm going to go ahead and massage it in there at any moment now. I'm going to do that any moment. Just give me a second here. I got off track. Just almost there. Almost. Okay, there we go. So now I'm going to massage it in there. Just making sure I'm getting my fingers all the way down to the roots, because the most important thing, again, when it comes to hair growth, in my personal opinion, is making sure that your scalp is well taken care of, because the scalp is the soil that grows amazing trees, which is your hair. So you got to really do a good job there. My autofocus is kind of failing me at the moment. My bad. Yeah, okay, working it in there again. There you go. So you can also use one of our wooden combs as well to help massage the scalp to promote that hair growth if you'd like. It's up to you. I went with the fingers because I like fingering, and yeah, it's kind of my thing. So, you know, sometimes I like to give the wood, but fingering is also good. Or it just depends on how I feel that day. And today I felt like fingering, and yeah, I'm gonna whip my hair back and forth. And next thing. Hey, what's up, folks? Look, if you enjoyed this video for any reason, please do me a solid favor and share it on the gram or the Facebook or the YouTube or however you want to do it. Please, I've fallen on hard financial times. I really need your assistance here. So yeah, thank you so much. Got a little dragon back there. But yeah, also, Try not this continuous infinite spray bottle thing, as you saw in the video. The roses will get jammed up in the base, so what we're thinking is either excluding the roses from the actual bottle. You know, we already infused the water and stuff with the roses, but we use the roses here as a nice little look. Looks great, looks fantastic. So, you know, let me know what you think about that one. Or we can put in like a little mesh net, but it wouldn't have that same type of vibe. Also, you know, using the beard here, gents. Does it great. As you see right here, it doesn't mist. I can put straight water, it would mist, but since this is a combination of oil and water, but it does have a nice strong stream, which I think is super dope. Works well for me. So, we're thinking about making the transition to.
Nerd.
I'm not a nerd. But yeah, we're thinking about transition to this bottle just for looks, appeals, and stuff like that. So, and it's about to say it's the same size, 10 ounces. So yeah, let me know what you think. And again, appreciate it. Please comment, subscribe, and like the video, share it and whatnot. It will really help us all out. Yeah, thank you. See ya. Nipple.